Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about tackling the common skin concern of large or open pores and how they can be reduced naturally at home. Many people struggle with the appearance of large pores, particularly on areas like the nose and cheeks, where they tend to be most visible. This video will share several effective home remedies that not only help shrink the appearance of pores instantly, but also leave the skin feeling tight, smooth and visibly clearer. Before diving into the remedies, it is important to understand what large pores are and how they form. Pores are tiny openings on the surface of the skin that house hair follicles. They are also essential for allowing the skin to breathe and release natural oils known as sebum, which help keep the skin hydrated and protected. However, when pores become enlarged, they can be more noticeable and may lead to various skin concerns, including blackheads and acne. Several factors contribute to the formation of large pores. The skin naturally produces oil to keep it moisturized. However, when the sebaceous glands produce too much oil, it can mix with dead skin cells and other debris, clogging the pores. Over time, this can cause the pores to stretch, making them appear larger. As people age, their skin loses collagen and elastin, two proteins responsible for keeping the skin firm and elastic. The loss of these proteins can cause the skin to become less taut, leading to the appearance of larger pores. Prolonged exposure to the sun can damage the skin's collagen and elastin, weakening the walls of the pores. This can cause the pores to stretch and become more visible over time. Some people are more prone to large pores due to the genetic makeup. If large pores run in the family, there's a higher likelihood of developing them. Not properly cleansing the skin, especially before bed, can lead to the buildup of dirt, oil and dead skin cells in the pores. This buildup can stress the pores and make them more noticeable. Pores can become clogged with impurities like makeup, pollution and sweat, especially if the skin is not cleaned regularly. When pores are clogged, they tend to appear larger. Understanding these factors can help in choosing the right remedies to minimize the appearance of large pores. Now let's move on to some effective home remedies that can help you achieve tighter, smoother and more refined skin. The first remedy that many find effective for minimizing large pores is the egg white and lemon juice mask. This mask is particularly popular for its tightening effects on the skin and its ability to reduce the appearance of large pores. Egg whites are known for their skin tightening properties, while lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, helping to cleanse and shrink pores. To make the mask, the ingredients you need are 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Begin by separating the egg white from the yolk and placing it in a clean bowl. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice to the egg white. Whisk the mixture until it becomes frothy and well combined. Once the mask is ready, it's time to apply it. It is important to start with clean skin. Ensure that all makeup, dirt and oils are removed from the skin to allow the mask to work effectively. Using clean fingers or brush, apply the mask evenly across the face, focusing on areas with large pores such as the nose, cheeks and forehead. The mask can also be applied all over the face for an overall tightening effect. Allow the mask to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the mask will begin to harden and you may feel your skin tightening. Once the mask is completely dry, wash it off with cold water. It is crucial to use cold water because it helps to further tighten the pores and refresh the skin. The combination of egg white and lemon juice provides multiple benefits for the skin. The egg white helps to tighten the skin, making the pores appear smaller and less noticeable. Lemon juice has natural astringent properties that helps to cleanse the pores and remove excess oil, dirt and impurities. The citric acid in lemon juice can also help to brighten the skin, giving it a more radiant appearance. After washing off the mask, it is important to moisturize the skin. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer is recommended to hydrate the skin without clogging the pores. Those with large pores around the nose may notice an immediate difference as the mask works to tighten and smooth the skin. The second remedy is the Fuller's Earth Mud Mask, also known as Multani Mitti. This clay-based mask has been used for centuries in South Asia for its powerful skin cleansing properties. It is especially effective for those with oily or acne-prone skin as it helps to absorb excess oil, unclog pores and tighten the skin. To make the Fuller's Earth Mud Mask, you require 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti and 1 to 2 tablespoons of rose water. Adjust for desired consistency. In a clean bowl, mix the Fuller's Earth with rose water to form a smooth paste. The consistency should be thick enough to spread easily on the skin but not too runny. As with the previous mask, start with clean skin. This ensures that the mask can penetrate deeply into the pores and provide the best results. Using a brush or clean fingers, apply the mask evenly across the face, concentrating on areas where pores are most visible. The mask can also be applied to the entire face for full skin treatment. Allow the mask to dry for about 20 minutes. For those with sensitive skin, it is advisable to wash off the mask before it fully dries to avoid any irritation. Once the mask is dry, wash it off with cold water. Cold water helps to tighten the pores and leaves the skin feeling refreshed. The Fuller's Earth Mod Masks offers several benefits for the skin. Fuller's Earth is highly absorbent and helps to remove excess oil from the skin, reducing shine and preventing clogged pores. As the mask dries, it tightens the skin, making pores appear smaller and less noticeable. This mask is also effective for treating acne and blemishes as it helps to unclog pores and reduce inflammation. Regular use of this mask can also help to brighten the complexion and even out skin tone. After washing off the mask, it is important to moisturize the skin to keep it hydrated and balanced. For those moving on to the next remedy, it is fine to skip heavy moisturizers for now and apply a lightweight serum or toner instead. The third remedy is an apple cider vinegar skin toner, which is an excellent natural solution for tightening the skin and reducing the appearance of large pores. Apple cider vinegar ACV is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great option for those with acne-prone skin. To create the toner, you need 1 pot apple cider vinegar and 1 pot rose water or distilled water. In a clean container, mix equal pots apple cider vinegar and rose water. The rose water helps to dilute the vinegar and reduce its strong smell while adding additional benefits for the skin. After cleansing the skin, soak a cotton pad in the toner mixer and gently apply it to the face, focusing on areas with large pores. Unlike typical toners, this mixture should not be left on the skin. Instead, allow it to sit for about 5 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. This ensures that the skin receives the benefits of the ACV without the risk of irritation from prolonged exposure. Apple cider vinegar offers multiple benefits for the skin. ACV works as a natural astringent, tightening the skin and reducing the appearance of large pores. ACV helps to restore the skin's natural pH balance, which can reduce oil production and prevent clogged pores. The antibacterial properties of ACV help to kill bacteria on the skin, reducing the risk of acne and breakouts. ACV also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. After using the ACV toner, it is crucial to moisturize the skin to lock in hydration. A hydrating serum such as a glow serum is ideal for this step. This helps to keep the skin balanced and prevent dryness, which can exacerbate the appearance of large pores. In addition to these home remedies, there are several other tips that can help in minimizing the appearance of large pores. It is important to use skincare and makeup products that are labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning they are formulated to not clog pores. Clogged pores can lead to blackheads, acne, and an overall enhanced appearance. Regular exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and make them appear larger. However, it is important not to over-exfoliate, as this can irritate the skin and worsen the problem. A gentle exfoliant used 2 to 3 times a week is typically sufficient. Keeping the skin hydrated is essential for maintaining its elasticity and preventing large pores. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and use a good moisturizer suited for your skin type. Sun damage is a major contributor to large pores, so it is crucial to protect the skin with a broad spectrum sunscreen every day. Even on cloudy days, sunscreen helps to prevent collagen breakdown, keeping the skin firm and pores less noticeable. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals can help support healthy skin. Foods high in vitamin A, C and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids can help keep the skin firm and reduce the appearance of large pores. Sleep is essential for skin repair and regeneration. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to give your skin time to heal and maintain its elasticity. Large pores can be a frustrating skin concern, but with the right care and remedies, their appearance can be minimized, leading to smoother, tighter, and more radiant skin. The home remedies shared in this video, egg white and lemon juice mask, Fuller's Earth Mod mask, and apple cider vinegar toner are all effective in reducing the visibility of large pores while providing additional benefits for the skin. By understanding the factors that contribute to large pores and incorporating these remedies into a regular skincare routine, most people can achieve noticeable improvements in their skin's texture and appearance. In addition to these remedies, following a comprehensive skincare routine that includes sun protection, hydration, and proper cleansing can further enhance results. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips and tricks. The subscription button is just down below. Thank you again and see you in the next video.